Hello, crypto enthusiasts, crypto traders, and crypto explorers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to stake Deffect Token or DEF token. As you can see, I have so many crypto wallet, but I am using Clever Wallet because DEF token is under Tron Chain Network or TRX network. So let's start. Click Clever Wallet and take note, before you start staking, you must have TRX balance because you will be using TRX coin as your transaction network fee. And of course, you must have the DEF token or DEF token. I have 5,000 DEF token. And to start the staking, you should click the DApp button or the browser where we can enter the link, this button. But before we start staking or pasting the URL here, make sure that the wallet address you are using is where the Deffect or the DEF token is stored. So I have to check. Okay, the wallet address that I will be using is account number 2. If you don't have 2 accounts in your wallet app, no need to check. But I have 2 wallet address, so I will be choosing account 2. Okay, I need to get the link to enter it here. Okay, I'll go back to the person who invited me in this platform. Copy. Then I'll go back to the Clever Wallet. Just paste it here. Then click this button. Click this button to start staking. Then click staking. I'll be choosing left node. Then click next. Then confirm. Click confirm. Then close. Okay, then scroll up. So as you can see, this is my referral link. Okay, then scroll up. So I must input number or amount that I'm going to stake. Click max. Then the amount will be automatically entered. Then click approve. And then confirm. Join staking success. Let's try to click binary tree. Okay, so that's it, guys. Simple and easy tutorial. If you have more questions, just comment down. And if you are new to this channel, just click subscribe, click like, and click notification bell for you to get updated for my next videos. Thank you and have a good day.